Let's talk about resistance. So what is mean by resistance? What I define is resistance is the line where most of the people are ready to sell. This is the favorite place of the people who short the stock or short the currency, whatever it is. This is the favorite place of the bears. Okay. So this is the line where people assume in the market now the prices are reached at the high or at the peak. So let's sell the stock or let's sell the currency or commodity. So this is the place where the people thinks the prices are too high, let's sell it out. Or the people who already bought it here, they think since price already went to the high, let me sell it out and book my profit. So people thinks on this line on two perspective. Buyers thinks let me sell because I already got a lot of profit, and the new sellers thinks this is the price is too high, let me wait and get a confirmation and short the stock or short the particular currency or commodity. Okay, so again we have two types of resistance over here. The first is major resistance. As you can see, the major resistance is the resistance as per this support you learn. Here you will face the resistance more than 3 or 4 times. So let me tell you one thing. The big fish or the big players in the market who actually control the whole market, who have the big money, like the people, the bigger investors or the bigger people, more than 80% of the capital is with them. Okay. These things I actually teach in the price action. What happens is, let's say this is the first point where the bigger peoples or the big fish, which I generally say, or the big boys, actually place the sell order. What happens? They place the sell order in a very huge quantity, let's say 10,000 or 20,000, but all the quantity will not executed in one go. Some of the portion is still left. So what happens? What they do is somehow they take back the market again like a magnet on the same line and sell it back the remaining quantity. This is again something related to price action. I'm not going there. Coming back to the normal resistance, because support and resistance are a part of the price action, but we also read with the candlestick to get the more power of the candlesticks. So this is the line. Okay, this act like a magnet. You can see the price will automatically come to this place, and this is the best place to sell the stock again on the confirmation. Okay, so this is called major resistance. You can see it face the resistance 1 2 3 4 5 times. Similarly, we have something called minor resistance where it will face the resistance at most 2 times. Let's say here it faced one time resistance, second time, and third time it given the breakout of this resistance and there was a big move, but again it faced the resistance on the major resistance. You can see it's like a magnet. You can see the price will come exactly here on the support, major support and major resistance act like a magnet because the big boys have their orders there on the major support and resistance. Okay, and again the resistance magical rule: if resistance is broken, we are going to buy only on confirmation, because this could be a huge breakout and can give a huge move. Let me show again on the same sort of move which we have observed on the support video on the gold chart. Let me show you on the gold chart itself this example. So here we are on the gold chart. You can see, let me take you here like this. Before this, you can see when the prices in the 2020 after March, when the price went down, what happens? The price went down in this breakout, and you can see the price started facing the resistance here. Let me draw. The first time it faced the resistance at this place. Let me draw it properly. It faced the resistance at this place. Okay. Second time this place. Third time at this place. Fourth time at this place. And you can see after this fourth time, again there was a huge breakout till here. So how much move we had got actually from here? after this breakout, definitely we are not going to take entry here. None of my student take entry on the first breakout. As I told, if it is a real breakout, it's not a fake out, price is going to take a retracement and we are going to take entry somewhere here. So if you take the entry from here, after the confirmation rule I'm going to teach you, and here is the candle which is giving the confirmation there is a reversal. Again, the reversal candle we will learn in the candlestick. So we are going to get almost 10% return. So again, all of the community member of mine got almost 10% of the return on the gold prices were down, and again on the gold prices were up. We utilize both the scenarios because it was a huge breakout of the resistance, because this was a major resistance had been breakout, and that was a minor resistance breakout. Okay, that was a major support breakout that time. So both of the things we had utilized, and this much move we had taken. Okay, again here this could be a fake breakout. That's why we never take entry here, because sometimes price trace back, the price trace back, and if it's a real breakout it will never go beyond this, it will go up like this. Okay, so this is how you are going to study. Again, don't trade just after watching this video, because I hope it will make you so happy and you will think the things are so simple. But again, there is a confirmation rule. If you get the confirmation, then and only you have to enter in the trade, otherwise not enter in the trade. That's the rule. If you enter in the trade without confirmation, it may be sometime fake breakout and it will hit the stop loss. So me and my community will try to trade such entities or such scripts where the chances are more than 90% we will win. Okay, because there are so many confirmation we do and then only we take the entry, otherwise we leave the trade, because leaving the trade is also an art. You should never trade is like a business. You should do the business where you are profitable. If there is risk, more risk, I'm not going to take that trade. That simple, as simple as you can think here. Okay, so this is all about how we can take the entry. Let me come back to the slide. Okay, so this is we are on the slide. So I hope you are clear today with major support, major resistance, and sorry, minor resistance. Okay, so major resistance work like a magnet. It will attract the price always there. Okay, and there will always be a short position. But if it is broken, we will definitely go on the confirmation and buy it, because these are the points where the big moves used to come, and I will help you in the whole course. You can just think of this as just small introduction, just two videos, right? There is a huge number of videos. Okay, there is a huge number of training still left. How much comfortable and confident you would be after completing this? You can just imagine how many wonderful magical things I'm going to give you in this training program. So this is a unique training program in the world of candlestick and in the world of trading, because none of the people who knows the secret in making the money is going to share such awesome things in the market, because those who know generally not share, and those who shares, you know how useful they were for you in the past. So this is all about force resistance. We are clear with the support, we are clear with the resistance. In the next videos, I will show you how to draw the support properly, how to draw the resistance properly, and how to take the confirmation. What is the steps to take the confirmation? If you know the secret of confirmation, after only these many videos, even you will able to take a trade. But still, you can imagine more than 70% course is still left and 80%. How many knowledge, how much profitable you would be after completing this course. So please watch these videos properly, take a note and practice it. And if you had joined in this course, if you find any difficulty, share your queries, share your trade with us. I will definitely try to help you out where you would wrong and where you could be right. Thank you so much.